So we have finished discussing about modal auxiliaries. Now we will move to the next material, which is the use of conjunctions and. Here, notice the affirmative statements connected with and to. Here, the examples are, John can play the piano, Alice can play the piano. And C, John can play the piano and Alice can too. So here, you do not have to repeat the verb. You can just repeat the modal and then add to after. Jadi tidak harus mengatakan John can play the piano and Alice can play the piano too. So you don't have to do that. You can just omit it atau dihilangkan saja. Play the pianonya bisa langsung pakai modal auxiliary-nya saja. And then here, George studies hard, Helen studies hard. George studies hard and Helen does too. Di sini juga memakai auxiliary-nya saja ya, yang ini auxiliary-nya. Jadi tidak hanya modal auxiliary, tetapi auxiliary verbs juga seperti ini atau linking verb seperti ini juga ya. So here, does di sini artinya ya studies ini. Jadi you don't have to repeat it because in English it is not really good to be repetitive. Jadi dalam berbahasa Inggris itu tidak terlalu natural atau tidak terlalu bagus ketika kita mengulang-ulang kata yang sama. Dimana ketika itu bisa dipersingkat, tentu saja pilihannya ya dipersingkat. And then the next example, Paul is a student, Mary is a student. Paul is a student and Mary is too. Jadi tidak perlu bilang lagi and Mary is a student too. You can say that. Jadi bisa mengatakan itu, akan tetapi akan lebih natural atau akan lebih bagus kedengarannya ketika menggunakan kalimat ini ya. So, instead of using two short, simple sentences, it is better for you to combine the sentence into one sentence or a compound sentence. Jadi, agar terlihat lebih natural atau lebih bagus bahasa Inggrisnya, lebih baik kalimatnya ini digabung dan dijadikan satu kalimat compound gitu ya. And then on the comments, you can see two simple sentences with identical predicates such as A and B can be joined by the word and to form one compound sentence such as C. Jadi di sini predikat itu maksudnya ini. The student is a student, studies hard, ini kan sama, studies hard. Play the piano, is a student. Jadi ini predikatnya sama. So you don't have to repeat it again. And then the predicate is not repeated completely in the second part of the compound sentence. Compound sentence ini artinya dua kalimat yang digabungkan seperti itu ya. An auxiliary such as can or does must be included in the second part of the sentence. Simple forms of be are treated like auxiliaries. Jadi di sini tidak usah memasukkan kalimatnya, akan tetapi masukkan auxiliary saja, like that. And then for the additional examples, you can see here, Helen is going to play tennis and Alice is too. And then George wrote a letter and Paul did too. Ingat ya, ketika ini past tense, tentu saja yang di sini harus past tense juga. We have to take an exam and they do too. Jadi di sini have to do ya. Do. Okay, do you have any question? If yes, let's go back to the group and we will discuss this further.